To get your advanced CSM certification, there are three basic requirements. Number one, you have a CSM certification. It would work even if it is expired, but the basic requirement is that you have a CSM certification. Number two, you have your Scrum Alliance profile. Now, if you have a CSM certification, that means you automatically have a profile created on Scrum Alliance website. Number three, you have at least 1 year experience listed in your profile. It does not have to be as a Scrum Master. It can be in any capacity, as long as it shows that you have 1 year experience working in an Agile environment. Let me walk you through the process as to where to get this information and how to update it if needed. First, we will need to get to Scrum Alliance website. Now remember, this is .org and not .com. Now, you're going to go to the top right corner and click on this login. This is where you will be entering user ID, password, and click on login. And voila, I'm in. Now, for any reason, if you don't remember your password, you can always send an email to support@scrumalliance.org. They are pretty good and will respond within a day. Now on this screen, again, we are going to go back to that top right corner, and I'm going to click on this My Profile. This brings up all your information in a much organized fashion. On the right side panel, you see all the certifications that you hold. On the left panel, you have all your information in a more organized, tabbed fashion. I want to highlight one more thing here. If you click on this URL box or text box, it will show you the current URL of your profile. I want you to highlight that, copy, and paste into your email. I want you to send me that URL so that I can go to that URL and see your information if I need to. Okay, let's get back to this tabbed view. What we are interested in here is the experience. So if you click on that experience tab, it should list all your experiences. Now, if you don't see anything here, that means that you need to go and update your profile. So how do we update this experience? Let's look at that. Again, we will go back to the top right corner and click on My Dashboard. Once on your dashboard, you're going to scroll all the way down. You will see all your certifications listed here as well. Right? This is again just to show you that your certifications will show up in your dashboard as well. Let's get back to the top of the page. You should see your profile picture if you have uploaded that. We are going to scroll down. The next box says the member benefits. You are going to scroll down further. The next box shows more, and this is where you should see this update work experience. So this is the option we are going to click on that will allow us to update our profile and add new experience. So I'm going to click on this update work experience. In my case, I have the experience listed, so it's showing up here. If you don't have anything showing up here, again, that means that you need to add the work experience. We will click on this add work experience. That brings up a page where we can input all the information. Now here, all the items that are marked with star are the required fields. So we are going to enter the company name, when the job began. Let's say we started on December 1st, 2019. The next box is the job end date. Now if this is a job that you are still working on, this is current job, then I would leave this blank. It also in fact shows that you can leave this empty if it is currently your job. You are still employed in that job. The next is the description. Again, here just put in at least the basic description. You want to click on this check mark to signify that this is your current job. Right? Let's scroll down, and then you need to click on this, that this is you certifying the information is correct, and then submit. Right? That's the minimum required information. I want to highlight one more thing here, that if you want, you can select your role also. So if I click on this down arrow, it shows me those different options. So if I'm working as Scrum Master, I'll pick this. If I'm a team member, I'll pick this. If I'm anything else other than these three roles described, I'll use this other and then explain it. But bottom line is, as I was saying, the 1 year experience that they are looking for is not as a Scrum Master. The 1 year experience could be in any capacity as long as it is an experience in Agile space, essentially. So once you submit, it should show up in your profile. Now, what happens if you do not have this profile updated? The short answer, you will not be getting advanced CSM certification. Even if you have a profile created, even if you have 1 year experience, it will not help unless it is reflected in your Scrum Alliance profile. So it is very important for you to update this profile and reflect at least 1 year of Agile experience on your Scrum Alliance profile. I have seen Scrum Alliance holding off on certification until you update your profile. So please update your profile with appropriate experience and send me the link. I showed you earlier how to get the URL to your profile in this video. Do it now. It takes only a few minutes. Let's do it now. Let's go to scrumalliance.org website and let's update all the necessary information.